Hi, I'm Nadia Dunn and welcome to CCL TV and our More Than Packages platform. We're here at WMX Americas in Miami and joining me today is lovely Juan. Thank you so much for joining me today. How are you?
Thank you, Nadia. I'm really good.
You're at DHL, right?
I am.
So can you start by telling us a bit about your role and DHL, what the company does?
Right. My role is looking after one of the most advanced electric vehicle company in the world. Start with T, ends with La, and S in the middle.
We got there.
Right. It's part of the DHL CSI, which is Customer Solutions and Innovation.
Mm-hmm.
So we are allocating a good amount of resources to look after the most important customers in the world.
And what are the benefits of coming to an event like WMX Americas for DHL?
I believe it's a great platform for Dutch Post DHL to explain to the audience what are the latest activities that we are developing in sustainability,
Mm-hmm.
and also other sort of actions that we are trying to implement in the last and first mile.
Mm-hmm. And you did a presentation at the event earlier today. Can you tell us about that and how it went?
It was fantastic, really insightful panelists, topics and perspectives about sustainability. We cover advanced air mobility as well, and what are the investments that we are doing in Asia, Europe, and Americas.
And tell us about how COVID has been for you for the last 2 years. How's that affected your company?
It's a good and a bad side. It has its pros and cons, mostly because from one side we were impacted heavily in our employees, but also it was an opportunity for us to develop innovative solutions to deploy vaccines.
Mm-hmm.
So far we have deployed 2 billion vaccines so far across all over the division. So it has its ups and downs, but in general we surviving. We demonstrated that COVID was an opportunity for the industry itself to innovate.
Mm-hmm. So you've turned your opportunities, or turned the challenges into opportunities.
Exactly right.
And can you tell us about any key challenges at the moment in terms of sustainability?
Challenges are more in the setting perspective. Most of the people, when they talk about sustainability, they consider offsetting. We realized that from $280 million that we invested, only 0.2% went to transportation. That's nothing. If we really want to achieve zero emissions by 2050
Mm-hmm.
and reduce 50% of that by 2025, we're far from that goal. So we developed Book and Collect, which is claiming credits for insetting transportation. We are buying sustainable aviation fuels and sustainable marine fuels
Mm-hmm.
to impact directly the industry. So we are happy to announce this in the event.
That's brilliant. So we've got some breaking news on CCL TV.
Indeed.
Great, thank you, Juan. And what are your thoughts on circular economy?
Circular economy is representing a huge opportunity for most of the industry players and customers as well, especially in the retail and fashion sector, where you see a lot of waste. Packaging as well. Different type of packaging solutions where you don't need to use plastic, but other sort of innovations on the area. We are implementing coconut packaging.
Right.
It's something that we are piloting in Asia Pacific and Americas.
Excellent.
So it sounds a little bit exotic, but it's interesting.
That's great. And what are your thoughts about CCL TV being here at the event?
CCL TV, it's a great opportunity for most of us to have an opportunity to explain to the audiences what is going on in the industry today and interact with the whole entire ecosystem of startups, logistics industry, and create a more dynamic interaction.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I believe. It's what you're doing.
Well, it's so lovely to have you here on CCL TV. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching CCL TV, brought to you by Aurora.